Hi, my name is Caden here on Savage Turf Wars, and today we're going to be reviewing the Nerf rival Kronos. Let's get right into it. To get this open, use your nice little knife, you know. You got to make sure you get in there. This is actually really hard to get in, I'm not lying. Alright. Toss around there, make sure you get all the tape. Open it. So when you open it first, you're going to have your box, your rival balls that may or may not have, this box may or may not have been opened up already. Got your extra rival ball here. Get rid of your junk there. Your flags. Your extra box. And now you just have your gun and you're ready to go play. But just kidding. You should watch the rest of the video. So the Kronos works by pulling it back, putting one down the chamber, and ooh, that didn't work. Anyways, so you pull back, you would load 5 down, or you could just choose to load one like I did. Push it forward, and you can shoot. Now we have our modified ones. We actually took them apart. I re-greased them, and I took out all the dumb locks, which is the one back here. Then there's a little lock back here that hides it. That's throwing more mega darts again. There was also one here, and then there's a little lock holder for it. We took them out because they're useless and they're not needed. And, oh yeah, this one has the safety removed too, because the safety isn't needed as well. That's the functionality of this blaster. The specs on it are actually below average, around 80 FPS, and shooting about, actually let's get a new one here, and I'll just go ahead and eyeball it. Shooting about 100-ish feet. It has lower performance, sadly, than any other rival. It's just because it has the spring isn't as powerful, but it's a $15 gun that blows the competition in any pistol form.
Hey guys, Lance here with Turf Wars, here to give my take on the Nerf rival Kronos 5-shot pistol. It's around 20 bucks whenever we got it. Price has probably gone down by now, since it is a pistol and you could buy the Apollo for almost the exact same price and it have more ammo and more accessories on it. It does have a place for a red dot, no place for a flashlight grip, which is kind of disappointing. Come on, Nerf, flashlight grip. I really want to have a gun for it besides one with a crappy magazine. As for the performance of the gun, it's a pistol, so it's actually pretty good for compared to other rivals. It's all right, but compared to other pistols, it just destroys them all because it's a rival. Rivals destroy everything except if they suck, like the only gun you can use the flashlight grip on. Again, I really want a gun with a flashlight grip. Come on, seriously, Nerf. Please watch this. But other than that, only 2 problems with the gun. The safety, as always, just a pointless feature that just shouldn't be there. The flap that it comes with, you have to pop up every time you want to load it. That was really pointless, but it was really easy to take out if you open up the gun. Other than that, it's a pretty standard gun, so there's not really much to say on it. Yeah, there's really not much to say on this. It seems pretty easily modded if you want to. Like, we've shot an Apollo spring in a couple of ours, but yeah, that's about it. Oh wait, no, actually there is a place for a flashlight grip on the handle. There we go. We did it, guys. We finally got a gun for the flashlight grip. End of review.
Yeah, that's going in. hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and go down there, hit that little red subscribe button. Or if you're already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Helps us out a lot. We post videos regularly. Can't say that. Check out and do a birthday party if you're in the Oklahoma City area. Check out our Hades video. That just went up recently. The gun's right there. We have 6 of them. Check out our Facebook. We also post stuff there. Bye. Thank you for watching. This is me signing off.